Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto News Today. We think many has the same reason why we are in a crypto space. And it's just because we want to make profits out of trading or investing. Many of us also thought that trading would be much more easy route to earn more money. And many of us understood that it is just maybe 5% of traders are profitable. If you lost your money many times, don't go ahead of yourself by attacking usurf. Why? Because most profitable traders and investors works in groups, not only individually. Remember main rule in a business and life, and it is a teamwork. Teamwork is very important. We have many trading companies who is really profitable, but to get there for a regular PayPal is almost impossible. So what to do next? Maybe to get trading robots or try to find a trading signals. But with that kind of help you should need to be most careful. None of them works 100%. But if you can find a people or software who trades at least 90% accuracy, them all should be fine if you know to manage risk and not to put all your crypto into one basket. Risk management is very important to understand, and it is very simple. Let's leave trading bots, or how we call it robots, for the next episode, and let's go to trading signals. We have found many options online. And most of them just make money without any good use. Trading signals can be good, but you also can lose a lot of money. By looking for a good trading signal providers, we have found a few interesting ones and worth of time. And one of them is called BINANCE Pump Signals. And no, it is not a regular pump and dump group where you can be scammed. Most of the times you get signals before one or another cryptocurrency starts to grow in value. It is fully natural. Our success rate with them was about 90%. Not so bad. Let's go more deep into this group. You can follow them on Telegram or take a look on their video. All links in under this video below. Cryptocurrency is firmly embedded in our life and keeps many secrets. It would seem that this is a complex, not familiar technology for creating digital money. A couple of years ago it seemed like something fantastic, and already in almost 2022 it is a source of quick huge profits for many people who trade on the world's largest exchange, Binance. Of the most incomprehensible terms, the strange word pump stands out. What is it and how do they make money on it? A pump is an artificial pumping of the value of a cryptocurrency with an average daily trading volume. A group of experienced traders and investors buys a pre-selected coin, thereby artificially increasing its value by several tens of percent. After the completion of the pump, such a cryptocurrency sells very quickly, thereby increasing profits for all those who knew in advance about the upcoming pump of coins. These are our subscribers to the VIP channel Crypto Pump Signals for Binance. Our team has carried out a number of tests on how to make money by trading cryptocurrency, and the largest number of profit percentages can be obtained through the organization and successful implementation of numerous pumps. After that, it was decided to create a VIP community, where everyone, after making a membership fee, can receive information on the upcoming coin pumps on a daily basis. In a short period of time, our Telegram channel has become one of the most authoritative communities in the field of providing information about the upcoming pumps of coins on Binance. Our public Telegram channel is completely free, and by the link specified in the description of this video you can subscribe to it and receive reports on ongoing pumps in real time many times a day. In free public channel, we publish reports on the just held coin pumps and provide evidence of the absolute accuracy of the signals that were published in advance in our VIP channel for our VIP subscribers. A report on the profit received by VIP subscribers using our trading signals from the VIP channel for the last 24 hours is published every day at 12 o'clock GMT +1 time zone. If you want to join our VIP team and receive signals about upcoming pumps, then read the conditions for joining the VIP community. The details can be found by clicking on the link specified in the description of this video, but now we will tell you in detail how to use our signals from the VIP channel. And do not be surprised that everything is much easier than you thought, and getting a constant income is easier than that it seems from the outside. We have very flexible conditions for making money and gaining access to the VIP channel. 1. You can buy a subscription for any period, for a week, for a month, for a year, a lifetime subscription. 2. You can get a discount on subscription by inviting other people to our public channel. 3. You can win a subscription to the VIP channel by being socially active and take part in the automatic drawing of free subscriptions. 4. You can earn by inviting friends to our VIP channel. Join the Crypto Pump Signals for Binance Telegram channel, study our reports and make sure that it really works and helps to make a profit very quickly and very often. Just don't forget, a pump is an artificial pumping of the value of a cryptocurrency with an average daily trading volume. A group of experienced traders and investors buys a pre-selected coin, thereby artificially increasing its value by several tens of percent. After the completion of the pump, Such a cryptocurrency sells very quickly, thereby increasing profits for all those who knew in advance about the upcoming pump of coins. These are our subscribers to the VIP channel Crypto Pump Signals for Binance. Our team has carried out a number of tests on how to make money by trading cryptocurrency, and the largest number of profit percentages can be obtained through the organization and successful implementation of numerous pumps. After that, it was decided to create a VIP community, where everyone, after making a membership fee, can receive information on the upcoming coin pumps on a daily basis. In a short period of time, our Telegram channel has become one of the most authoritative communities in the field of providing information about the upcoming pumps of coins on Binance. Our public Telegram channel is completely free, and by the link specified in the description of this video you can subscribe to it and receive reports on ongoing pumps in real time many times a day. If you like to try out this Telegram group, which is basically free, you can visit and check by clicking under this video below. Sometimes trading signals in one or another case is much more better than trading robots which don't have a clue when market changes how to make trades. Professional traders will always know how to adapt to different situations. Subscribe our channel for more cool information in a crypto space and get updates every week. Hope to see you soon. Crypto signals are trading ideas from expert traders to buy or sell a particular cryptocurrency at a specific price or time. Cryptocurrency trading signals can be based on several factors, including news, technical analysis, and the current market climate. With the right one, a trader could unlock the door to substantial returns and improve their trading strategy. What is a crypto trading signal? A trading signal service is researched by a group of expert traders and analysts who make recommendations on buying, selling, and trading crypto to maximize profits. The best crypto signals are prevalent because their followers believe that they do most of the work for them. However, crypto trader must manage their accounts and stay vigilant once they initiate trades. While you could check out a signal group and plug into it, you also should know how social trading works, to a certain extent. You also should ensure that your trades are being effectively managed and conduct proper risk management practices. Most crypto trading groups charge their members monthly access fees. Thus, you must carry out your due diligence before you make payments. Why are signals great for traders? The most significant benefit of signals is that they provide valuable trading data to their members. With the insights that they provide, you can effectively manage your assets. With signals, you learn how to stop losses, set targets, and the appropriate points to exit and enter a trade to maximize your profits. They provide more in-depth information than what you could get on the internet or via analyses on social media. Why Telegram is the preferred platform for crypto trading signals? Telegram's choice as the haven for crypto trading is primarily due to the density of the cryptocurrency trading community on the trading platform. It's the best tool for broadcasting messages to a large audience. Telegram is more focused on privacy than other messenger apps. You can also use more messaging bots on the trading platform, better than what you can get on WhatsApp. Traders can take advantage of the RSS and automated bots to create broadcasts and share them with their group members.